For today's video, I'm excited because it's actually a video that you guys have been requesting. I don't know why I just did that, but it's a video that you guys have been requesting, and it's just how I dye my hair extensions, which was really perfect because my old hair extensions, I've literally been redying them for over a year now of just putting color over color. And it just happened that a hair extension brand actually reached out to me. So this is by the brand Vpfashion, and they are human hair extensions. And what I love about these, or what I love about the company, is the fact that they specialize specifically for colored hair. So the extensions, like if you go on their Instagram page and stuff, they all, like the majority of the hair extensions have been dyed with girls that love to color their hair. And if you guys have been watching my hair situation fail videos, I've been trying to go back to like my really white hair so I could do pastel colors and just like really vibrant. I really want to do neon green. But yeah, today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I dye my hair extensions. This video is literally not sponsored. I am not getting paid for any of this. They just sent me hair extensions and it just happened. It's just perfect, and it's in exchange for me making a video and showing you guys how I dye the extensions. But before, I actually just want to show you guys what they look like. First off, it comes in this really cute box, which, I mean, come on, is pretty great, but it's a little bit hard to open, but it's okay, we'll get through it. Now, what I didn't realize that this actually came with, again, I don't even have to say any of this, I'm just saying it because I want to, is that it came with a little freaking hair like extension hook thing with hangers. Literally, how sick is that? Every single, like the way I store my hair extensions is just disgusting. Like I literally wrap them up in a ball and put them like in a closet, which is just like not cute. But I decided to get I think these are the 24-inch hair extensions, and I've actually like haven't really opened them. I felt them like a little bit, but I kind of wanted to just like see it on camera, kind of like a first impressions thing. And they are just these beautiful blonde, like, are you kidding me? I know it's a little bit hard because the light is reflecting it, but these are just amazing. Again, they are 24 inches. I think this is like 260 grams. I don't know. I'll link everything down below, and as well as a coupon code, which I just feel so bossy saying that. I don't know. The coupon code is just Viola, and I believe you guys get $10 off. Again, I don't make any profit from that. It's just, I don't know, a coupon code that they decided to give you guys. And this comes with, I'm not really sure how many tracks. I'm gonna have to cut this open. You'll see when I start dyeing them in the process. I'll show you guys everything. And then it comes with like 3 little extra clips, which I think is really neat because sometimes, you know, the little clips fall off. So it comes with 4, I believe, yeah, so 4 longer like little tracks. So one, it looks like that, and then it has 4 clips. Do they all have 4 clips? Yeah, so there's 2 with 4 clips, and then there are 2 that have the 3 clips, which I really like because a lot of the times when I've gotten hair extensions, like sometimes they'll just have 1 with 4 clips and then 3 with 3 clips, and I don't know, I have really thin hair, so it's really hard for me to go, I don't know, I just need a lot of options, especially with these. These are freaking lifesavers. Like when I tell you that my hair is paper thin, it's not for me bleaching it, it's just like my hair sucks, like it's just my genetics. And these little small clips I am obsessed with. I love little clips like that because, again, I can't put a lot of like I can't stack a lot in the back because you'll start to see the clips and then like the front will look all weird. So I like to use these to put right in front because it's easier to hide the clips up here, if that kind of made sense. But yeah, I'm like really excited because this is a lot of hair and this is just so cute and it feels really good. Also, the brim of this is really thick. A lot of old hair extensions that I've had, it's really like fragile up here, but this is like sturdy. Literally sitting on my sink like I'm a thought because I realized when I was watching the playback clip that you cannot tell that my hair is colored. Like it looks, right now even, it looks dull and dark. I don't know why, but this specific color right here, as you can see, that's what my hair looks like throughout my whole entire head. That is my hair. For some reason it wants to be dark, so just so you guys know, my hair is colored. It's like a neon purple. It's really hard to see. I'll try to prop up some pictures just so you guys get an idea, or maybe like the end result, just so it doesn't look like I'm clickbaiting you from like the thumbnail or something like that. But it is I swear, it's like neon, okay? It's just the lighting of this camera or any type, even when I take pictures, it just is so, it looks really dull, but I promise that it's light, just so you guys know. Now for the fun part, we're actually gonna start dyeing stuff. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the color that we're using. So I'm gonna be using the one and only argan oil in the color neon purple. This is the same color that I used for my hair, and I'm gonna be using 2 boxes. We'll see how much we exactly need. I just know that like in the past when I've done hair extensions, I've usually used 2. So yeah, let's just start to dyeing. I am 100% sitting on my bathroom floor, but this is what I always do. I just get like a long thing of aluminum foil, depending how long the extensions are, and then I lay them down like that. I don't have a wig cap, like a wig thing or anything to like prop up the extensions against, so this way has like always worked for me. And then I use one of these brushes because I feel like it really gets like all the extensions, because I have dyed extensions before and I have missed spots, which was really bad. And then obviously like a little cup thing, and then gloves are really extremely important. Sometimes I have dyed them without gloves. Honestly, you don't really need gloves unless you want to stain your hands, and that is pretty much it. But also I did want to mention this, I didn't even realize this, but the brand comes with like, because you know they specialize in colored hair, it comes with like telling you how to exactly dye your hair, which I thought was really freaking cute. And then it also gives you like hair tips, I think, like on how to care for them. Sorry, the paper is like super thick, but yeah, see, hair care tips. I just think that's really cute. I think that's like, I don't know, a cute bonus. And yeah, we're just gonna get to dyeing them.
I'm always in my head, lost in my thoughts, I'm hanging by a thread. You stabbed my back with my heart, then you left, and I feel like you said this won't ever end, ever end. I'm always in my head, lost in my thoughts, I'm hanging by a thread. You stabbed my back with my heart, then you left, and I feel like you said this won't ever end, ever end, no. Now I'm used to waking up by myself. Without you, I feel like I'm living in hell. Am I up? Am I down? I can't even tell. I just wanna get better, I wanna get well. Wish I could run it back to the good old days when I felt your love. Not all of this pain, this feeling will go away, and I might go insane. Without you, nothing feel the same. All this Gucci, Louis, Fendi won't help me heal, cause without you I'm just empty. Swimming in tears, baby, ever since you left me. I've been so lonely and this pain been hitting heavy. I'm always in my head, lost in my thoughts, I'm hanging by a thread. You stabbed my back with my heart, then you left, and I feel like you said this won't ever end.
I feel like I've been doing this forever. Also, lighting terrible, but I just wanted to check in with you guys to let you know that I did use 1 box, and 1 box colored all of the 4 small tracks, and then 1 track with the 3 clips. Now if I do like the math, that means that I'm gonna have 1 clip left that's like not gonna be dyed, so like meaning I don't have enough, because I have still 2 tracks with 4 clips and then 1 track with 3 clips, so again, not enough. So what I'm gonna do is, I do have this same brand argan oil, and it's like half of it, and it's in the color hot pink, so I'm just gonna mix the 2. I don't really know if it's gonna change the color, or might slightly tweak it. We will see. So before I clip them in my hair, I know I'm putting it over the sink, it's just gross, but I wanted to show you guys the difference of the color. So this color is more closer to my hair, and then this is the color that I mixed with the hot pink. So it's nice because it's gonna give it a little bit of dimension within the hair. But as you can see, here are the 4 clips. It honestly blended really nicely dyeing it that way, and here is all of these clips. So you can see it's not much of a difference, but it added just like enough to where it's not gonna look flat when I put it in. And this is the finished result. Okay, I know I switched to my iPhone, but I'm not kidding you when I say that I literally tried like 20 different lightings on my camera to try to pick it up, and it just looked dark purple for some reason. But this is the actual color of my hair. For some reason the iPhone actually picks it up, but my camera doesn't want to pick it up, and I am obsessed. Honestly, this is a lot of hair for me. Like, I'm not used, I think this is the longest I've honestly ever had my hair, but just the colors, as you guys saw, I mixed 2 different ones because I kind of ran out, but it worked perfectly because it kind of gave my hair dimension, because when my hair is like this long, I like a lot of dimension, or else I feel like it looks flat and ugh. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm sorry that this is like total low quality and not cute at all, and honestly I can't stop touching my hair, but I am obsessed with this. Like, do you see like the color? This is what I was talking about earlier, by the way. This is like kind of the actual color of my hair. I don't know if the camera picked it up in the beginning, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, do all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.